Hello guys, this is foryou and this is a short tutorial on how to run your first Java program. If you don't have Java already installed, you can check out my previous video where I show you how to download Java on your system. To check if you have Java in your system, just go to your command prompt and type in java-version. If you get output something like this, then it means that you already have Java installed on your system. Coming back to your Java program, to run your Java program, just go to your just open Visual Studio Code, click on File, then click on New File, and then New Java file. You can see that here you get public class main already in your code. My suggestion for you would be, before writing any code, first save the file. Make sure that the file name is same as the class name. And also a good programming practice is to use the first letter as a capital letter. So I'll name this file as trial and then save this. Save the file as a class name, remove all the necessary things. I'm saving it as trial. There you go. For any of our Java programs, you will see this small squiggle, a yellow squiggle, which is just a warning, not an error. Whenever you run a Java file individually, you get this squiggle or a warning. You can ignore this. Right, to run your code in Java, the important thing is the main method. The syntax for the main method is public static void main. And then in the parentheses, you can just choose string args. This is the main method in Java, and you can see that after you type in the main method, you can get two options here that say run and debug. This means that you already have Java installed in your system, and it makes it easier for running the program in Visual Studio Code. Another shortcut for the main method would just be psvm, and then just click tab. You can see that you get the same thing again. This is a shortcut for writing the main method instead of typing it fully. Then, to run your first program, let's say we run the program hello world. You can just type in system.out.println hello world, a semicolon. You can see that there are two errors, which is there are two main methods in the system in the file. There are two main methods in the file, so we can just remove the main method. Now you can see we only have that warning which shows us that it is not a project file. That's fine. After you write your program, just click run. And then you can see that the output is here, hello world. Another basic trick for you in Java would be just for the system.out.println, which prints the display to the output, you can just type in sout and then click tab. This is a shortcut for typing the system.out.println without typing it fully. You can just type out sout and then tab. This is a simple tutorial on how to run your first program or the hello world program in Java. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to this video. And if you want more tutorials on Java, just comment down below. Thank you for watching.